Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a group of elements in Canva. So if you groups some elements in your Canva, it will be useful if you want to move them at once. For example, I want to move these elements in here, this last part. So if you want to create the groups of elements, you can just block the elements that you want to group, and then here at the top just click on group, and then it will be treated as one. So if you move them, it will move as one like this, and it will make the moving part easier. Okay, so that's pretty all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Thank you.